Hey everyone, and welcome back to my channel. Today we are going to do a task that I have been putting off for quite some time, and that is trimming back these long pothos vines that have been crawling all over my light stream here for the last year and a half. It is going to be an interesting task and a long one, so let's get started. The good news is I already started with that basket over there and trimmed it back. Now it's kind of time to cut a hand on this basket here. Now there are 3 hanging baskets that I have to work with here, and they're all very interesting. So shall we continue on? For as basic of plants as pothos are, I adore them. They're just so easy to grow, they're easy to propagate, and they're just really hardy plants. They never really have any issues. Even if you underwater them, they just will start to look a little, sad and droopy. But as soon as you give them water again, they're just happy as a clam. And that makes me very happy as a plant dad. So, let's see. We'll clip there, we'll clip here, we'll clip everywhere. It's going to be interesting not having these up here anymore, because for the last year and a half, like I was saying, I've had these up here, and it has been really a pleasure to have them up there because it does add to the jungle vibe that I like in my home. But I'll tell you, they just grew so much during that time that they got a little bit out of control. And so what we're trying to do here is control mitigation, I guess is what you could call it, if there is such a thing with these. And yeah, I probably, between these ones and the ones that I have recently trimmed in my bedroom, I will have a lot of propagations to make with these guys. I feel bad I'm just dropping their vines on the ground right now because that's where they need to go. Yeah, these things grew at such a rapid pace. It was insane, especially obviously during the summer, because they're right up against my western facing windows, and the sun just comes in here, not hitting them directly, but indirectly, and they just absolutely loved it. But the one thing I did not love is when they started growing a little bit too long. Probably falling on other plants as well. What'll be nice too is that it'll allow for more of a view of this part and the wall over here and the propagations that I have growing up here as well. So I am happy about that. The nice thing about this project too is the fact that I'm just realizing there are some plants up here that I have not watered a little bit. And they're looking kind of sad, so we're going to water them and make them a little bit happier. There you go. Drink up, plants. All right. And then we can continue on with our mission, which seems impossible, but somehow we'll make it possible, and that's what matters. Maybe it wasn't as difficult as I thought it was going to be, and I was just being a little bit dramatic again. But now to figure out what to do, because I do want to put some new cuttings inside these little propagation tanks, and I think that's what I'll focus on now. But until then, thank you for joining me on this journey. If you haven't already, please subscribe to my channel, give this video a like, it really helps out a lot. Thank you so much, and I'll see you in the next video.